So this is the 1.5 pound weighted jump rope by N1Fit. Comes out of the box ready to use. I didn't even have to adjust it, but from some of the comments and reviews I've seen, seems to be pretty easy to adjust if you need to. Seems to be pretty good quality, pretty sturdy. I did use this jump rope for an hour after I got it out of the box. It was ready to go, and from an hour's use, still held up fine. The handles have a pretty good grip. They're not gonna slip out of your hands or anything like that. They say with this weighted jump rope, you can burn twice the calories of a lot of other cardio exercise equipment. And if you're used to just a regular jump rope, you'll probably only be able to do about half the amount of jumps that you normally do with a standard jump rope. If you're used to using just a standard jump rope, it probably will take some getting used to. You're probably gonna hit yourself in the shins a couple of times starting off, but it really didn't take long to kind of get the hang of it. You'll be jumping at a different rhythm than probably what you're used to. So it does come with a 2-year warranty. I'll put a lot more info in the description about it. It says works out your shoulders, back, forearms, etc. A lot of other weighted jump ropes that I looked at, the weight was only in the handles. What I liked about this is the weight is in the rope itself. As you can see, it's a lot thicker than your standard jump rope. I highly recommend this jump rope. Like I said, I used it for an hour straight out of the box. Didn't need adjusting or anything. It held up well. The handles held up well. They spin freely.